Hot Bird. I should know this one by now, but oh well. This was a silver one. This is an older one. This isn't in mint condition, but it's all right. Maybe it just needs to be cleaned or something. But this one came in the Gold Series 5-pack. No one. This is a fairly valuable car right here. I'm gonna do another one that's blue. That's almost. I think it's in mint condition. It's close, but that one's worth $200. That one's a real rare breed. This is in pretty good shape though for an open box car that was pre-owned by somebody else that I bought it from a long time ago. Nothing special. The color looks good though. I should have liked that color. The Firebird looks sharp on that gold trim.